Gusto mo ng air fryer pizza na soft and crust? Tara, gawin natin! Sa bowl, ilagay natin yung 1/4 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon yeast, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons cooking oil, masahin ng konti hanggang smooth, then let the dough rest for about 1 to 2 hours. I-shape ang dough. Ito yung magiging pizza base natin. Hindi kailangan perfect, basta bilog. Ilagay sa air fryer basket. I-air fry sa max temperature for 2 to 3 minutes. Tapos i-flip natin yung crust. Lagyan ng pizza sauce, then cheese, at kahit anong favorite toppings ninyo. At ilagay sa air fryer ng 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Enjoy!